Hi guys! Happy Valentine's everyone! Ang baby girl ko crying baby mula kagabi pa kasi masakit ang kanyang gums. Magkakaroon na siya ng titit. Magkakaroon na ng titit ang baby girl ko. Sa February 16 ay 6 months na si Feliz Navidad. Grabe yung iyak niya mula kahapon hanggang gabi, hanggang kanina. Ayaw pala pag kahit karga na, iyak pa rin ang iyak. Yung pala guys, namamaga yung kanyang gums. Hello! Happy Valentine's! Feliz, Feliz!
Every time the phone rings, I hope it's you. A is for apple, apple, A.
Husay! Mga bata, ugaliing magsanay bumasa araw-araw para mas mabilis kayong matuto. Siguraduhin din na na-click nyo na ang subscribe button para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga bagong aralin. Maaari nyo rin i-share ang video na ito sa inyong mga kaibigan at mga kaklase. Magkita tayo sa...
The way you hold me, you can drown the crowd. Try as they may, that could never be done. What's being said between your heart and mine? The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. Yeah, yeah. Oh, the smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. Oh, you say it best when you say nothing at all.
No! Yeah!
Oh,
Picture tayo, picture. There, I was like,
something told me that
nice!
switching. Things get proceeded to get a picture.
Smile.
Those were the days, hard on forever face. Now I see you in a better place.
How's your feet? How's your feet? Like,
How could we not talk about family when family's all that we had? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side. And now you won't be with me for the last ride. It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I tell you all.
Pansin ni Robbie dahil baka isipin ng mga lalaki na nakikiosyoso siya sa mga ginagawa ng mga ito.
good morning, Feliz Navidad. 6 months old ka na today. Happy 6 months old. Happy birthday, Feliz. Oh, may ubo ang baby girl ko.
Look at mine, let the eyes that see my sin. Look on me with love and watch me rise again. Who am I? Let the voice that calm the sea call out through the rain and calm the storm in me. Not because of who I am, but because of what you've done. Not because of what I've done, but because of who you are. I am a flower quickly fading, can take it gone tomorrow. Away tossed in the ocean, paper and the wind still you. Anyway, I'm calling. When you catch me when I'm falling, you told me who I am. I'm yours. Not because of who I am, but because of what you've done. Not because of what I've done, but because of who you are.
Fix? Hello.
Gusto mo yung balito yung ano? Ito yung dalawa ni Felix. Fix, picture Fix oh. Wow, may pera si Fix. Money, money. Oh, ano ba yan? 1, 2. Isa pa. Thank you sa sahod. Parang nagsahod din si Carla. Kita mo eh. Ayun!
Mula na ba ng tekniko niyan?
Tutor, dito gusto ko kaya ito. Ang wall. Ito, 160. Itong isa, 962. Pwede naman siya ilagay lang sa wall.
Mama, what is ring? Mama, ring. Mama. Kiki.
Sabi mo kasama ko ba picture?
Kiski. Kiki.
Wheels.
Huwag na kuya, okay na to. Guys, naglalaro si Feliz ng car ni kuya. Seryoso. Nakabiging boyish ka na ka? Only girl ka lang tapos boyish ka pa. Ay, naku na lang. Galit. Ba yung hair natin, Kiss? Nagpinaso lang yung buhok mo, Kiss, so nililipad-lipad. Hindi mga kay Papa yung ulo mo, Kiss, eh. Ayaw mo papunas. May pagkamaldita na ang baby girl ko. Naglaro na ng parang baby girl ko. Ha? No bite? No bite? Don't bite. Just hold and play. Tar to. Tar na yung laruan niya, Tar. Tar, look. Lalawin ka pa. Akala mo pagkain yan? Hindi pagkain.
Apo. Dapat sa baso ka na kagaya ni Papa. Apo. Ba't hinati mo? Dalawa pala yan?
Opo.
Tingnan kuya, before and after. Yan.
Tingnan na kasi yung tugat eh. Observe lang siya ng tubig.
Okay na, go. Kuya, pick. 1, 2. Okay, tree planting. Sana bumunga ng marami yan para marami ang kakainin na. Paborito ko yung lansones eh.
Madam ko yung handle niya, yung cover niya, mayroon na...
Ikaw si Feliz maganda? Feliz maganda ka? Ikaw si Feliz maganda? Maganda ka pa? Feliz na maganda ikaw. Ikaw si Feliz na maganda. Feliz na maganda?
Kapuran ka nila ko sa kayo dito sa eh, bawal daw yan sa labas.
Sa labas.
Sabi nung mga
Kailangan
guard.
ilagay.
Angle bar, tapos angle bar din to. Itong paa. Okay, marunong ka na mawak ng dede mo. One hand pa. Yeah, pwede na magmarites si mama habang nagpapadede sa'yo, no? Kasi marunong ka na mawak ng dede. Feliciana. Feliciana ni mama. 6 months and 5 days old si Feliz today. Galing na umawak talaga, hindi na nahuhulog. Medyo nakokontrol niya na yung kamay niya. Boing. Okay, balik mo. Felix, jumping, jumping. Ang big boy mo na, Kuya Felix. this? Ano, ma'am? Ayan na.
Pwede pang kain ko eh.
Takam na takam. From this to this. From this to this. Joke lang.